Michael at Serr.biz in Maryland. Today, we want to discuss negative SEO. In this article, we explain what the 4 primary tactics are of negative SEO. And for those who don't know, negative SEO is when an unethical, malicious company or person attacks their competitor using black hat SEO tactics. It can be kind of hard to combat, but paying attention and following these simple tactics can help you. So the first thing is to monitor your backlinks. You can do this through Google Search Console, Moz, SEMrush, etc. Also Alexa, which inspired this article, by the way. Alexa.com inspired this article. Anyway, you want to monitor your backlinks to see who's linking to you. Google Search Console does an okay job with it. They don't report everything, but you can definitely see some stuff that shows up on a monthly basis. Other tools are quicker to notify you of who's linking to you. The sooner you know, the better. Anyway, you want to monitor your backlinks, and if you find that you're getting backlinks suddenly and they're spammy and not relevant to your company, or they're coming from spammy websites, try to contact those third parties where the links are coming from and ask them to be removed. If that's not possible, second step is to use the Google Search Console Disavow tool, which basically you just tell Google, look, all of these links from these websites are invalid. We don't honor them. Please don't credit those to us. We did not add them. We're being attacked. The next thing you want to pay attention to is your content. Is your content being scraped and published on third-party websites? This can be resulting in a duplicate content penalty. You don't want that. If you do find that your content has been scraped, you can ask Google to take action and remove it from their database. And we provided a link for that in the parent article. Also, there is the aspect of bad reviews. Bad reviews are always an ongoing issue for some companies. As far as a tactic goes for people attacking you, if you find a negative review that's fake, then try to contact the publisher and say, hey, look, this is fake, and or reply to the fake review saying something like, we don't know who this is a fake review, we have real reviews, pay attention to those, and contact us for references if you're interested in doing business with us, things of that nature. And the fourth thing, which is really easy to fix, but some people forget, is ex-employees and contractors may be disgruntled and try to mess with you, your website, and you forgot to take away their permissions, and they still have access to your back end, not only on your website, but your Google Analytics, AdWords, etc. Be sure that anybody who no longer works for you and is not authorized to be in the back end of your direct website and related profiles in the social networks, be sure that you take their permissions away. So those are 4 common negative SEO tactics, and those are some things that you can do to resolve the issue. And of course, if you need help with it, feel free to contact Serr.biz. All right, see you around. Thanks.